Hey, what's up guys, it's TNT Games, and I know it's been a long time since I posted, and I know this is a different type of video for my channel, but make sure you guys do follow the Instagram and join the Discord server. Both links are in the description below as well as on screen right now. So guys, first thing I want to do is introduce you to this app called Sweatcoin, and on this app you can walk, run, whatever movement, you get Sweatcoins for basically walking and stuff. You can get prizes as shown on screen right now. And you can donate to funds, and you can also bid on different auctions. Like for example, there's a drone as well as a PS5, which is really cool. And the reason why I'm sharing this video with you guys is I'm going to show you how to get free sweat coins without actually the movement or any of that. It's a quick hack, and all you have to do is add me on Sweatcoin. Here's my profile right here. I'll show you how to type it in. It's right there. I'm typing it in right now, so make sure you guys do follow my Sweatcoin. And then once you follow me, you're gonna have to use the link in the description below. Though you have to subscribe, use the link in the description below, and then I'm going to donate you the Sweatcoins from the fund. So make sure you guys use